have told the Modi. We have told the Modi, and Modi has done the action. पाकिस्तान का नाम गायब कर देंगे वर्ल्ड के नक्शे से. We will finish this Pakistan. You will see now war started, and in few days I will promise to all people of India. It's my promise. I am Colonel Mahesh Karki. It's my promise that आपको ना इस नक्शा है ना, नक्शा वर्ल्ड का पाकिस्तान का ना शायद मुश्किल है, अभी ना गायब कर देंगे हम. I am Lieutenant Colonel Mahesh Karki from 55 Gorkha Rifle Frontier Force.
Mahesh, how do you see the yesterday's cowardly attack by Pakistan in Jammu?
Pakistan, I can say, this is very un-military way of attacking or a reaction of a Pakistan. I mean to say that if there's a fight between army, between armed forces,
Yes.
so you can attack only army or air force or navy. Don't kill innocent people.
Yes.
This is against the war rules. So it's really sad that people who are sitting in Pakistan, the chief of Pak Army, Munir, he's a bastard of highest order. He have made the life hell of Pakistanis and even people who are in Kashmir, innocent people in Kashmir. They are suffering since last, I can say 36 years, from 89, this is 2025. And these people, what I can see, sometimes I feel mercy for Kashmiri people who are innocent people, poor guys, who are suffering, because I have served in Kashmir for tenure. In 1995, I was in Sopore. 1995, 96, I was in
peak militancy.
Militancy was on peak. So I have served Sopore 1995, 96. Then that time I was Sipahi. 59 Gorkha Rifles, Frontier 4. 59 Gorkha Rifles. I was Sipahi. Then I was selected as an officer in 99. Then I joined Indian Military Academy in 99 and passed out 13 December 2003. And again joined 55 Gorkha Rifle Frontier Force. And I landed base Glacier, Glacier, Northern Glacier. So I landed there as a Lieutenant Saab, and I requested my CO कि सर मुझे पोस्ट पे चढ़ा दो. I want to go to that post because I will not get chance again, because Glacier, is...
Now you are in Srinagar, all schools have been closed in, and all schools have been closed due to precaution measure. How do you see this?
I'm feeling really bad because, this is the tourist time,
Yes.
tourism. And the main motto of Pakistan was, what I feel. The Pahalgam attack they have done on 22nd, their motto was, their aim was, stop tourism in Kashmir and start terrorism. Because for 5-6 years, there's a peace, calm, people are happy, they're doing their work, they're earning money, tourists are coming in lakhs, in crores.
Yes.
I think last year 40 lakhs,
Yes.
more than that, before that 1 crore. This time maybe 1 crore about to come, the raw booking. But this 22nd of April, the terrorist attack, they have not killed only 26 guys. They have killed more than 1 crore people in Kashmir. You know that? Because now they are unemployed. All taxi drivers, Ghodawala, then hoteliers, then restaurant malik, then gondola, then shikara, houseboat. I stayed there in houseboat for last two nights. I'm there only. Almost 1,500 houseboats are there.
Yes.
And hardly 100 people are there in houseboat. And shikara, I used to come earlier when there was peace. Dal Lake was full of shikaras. I'll tell you. नहीं आएंगे तो क्या होगा? Guys, ठीक है ना, from Pakistan, one guy from Kashmir, Adil, who have done all Reiki and all, and 7 guys, and they have killed 2 innocent people. It's really, ये पाप है, ये पाप है. आप हमसे लड़ो ना, हमसे लड़ो आप, हम पे गन है. We have gun, हमसे लड़िए आप. We have gun. I can show you.
don't show.
I can show the gun. From 23rd, अब सुनिए, I'll come on the point. From 22nd, when I went to my room, I'm a camp commandant in 89 Infantry Brigade. I went my room around 5 o'clock, and when I opened my television, I saw that news. Really, it was so heartbroken, and I really खून खोलने लगा मेरा. मैंने कहा ये क्या कर दिया इन लोगों ने, इनोसेंट पीपल को. मैं सीन देख रहा हूँ, वो मुझे मतलब इतना गुस्सा आ रहा था कि वो एक लेडी जो न्यूली मैरिड है, वो लेटी है अपनी पति की लाश में, पति की लाश के आगे लेटी है, और वहाँ डायलॉग चल रहा है कि गो एंड टेल योर मोदी, गो एंड टेल योर मोदी. जब उसने बोला संतोष की वाइफ ने कि मुझे ही मार दे, तो उसने क्या बोला, तुझे नहीं मारूंगा. कौन बताएगा मोदी को, कौन बताएगा मोदी को. बोलता है, डायलॉग मारता है पिक्चर का, 20 मिनट खूनी खेल खेला, डायलॉग मारता है, अगर मैं तुझे मार दूंगा तो मोदी को कौन बताएगा कि कितनी मतलब कितना बुरी तरह मैंने आपके हस्बैंड को मारा है. गो एंड टेल योर मोदी. वी हैव टोल्ड योर मोदी, वी हैव टोल्ड द मोदी, एंड मोदी हैज डन द एक्शन. इट्स माय प्रॉमिस, इंडियन आर्मी प्रॉमिस, आर्म फोर्सेस, we will finish this Pakistan. You will see now, war started, and in few days I will promise to all people of India, it's my promise, I am Colonel Mahesh Karki, it's my promise that आपको ना इस नक्शा है ना, नक्शा वर्ल्ड का, पाकिस्तान का ना शायद मुश्किल है, अभी ना गायब कर देंगे हम, पाकिस्तान का नाम गायब कर देंगे वर्ल्ड के नक्शे से. ये प्रॉमिस है हिंदुस्तान फौज का. और सुनिए मेरी बात, मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर ये मेरे प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी देख रहे हैं, अगर ये मेरी जो चैनल है जो भी है, मैं पिछले 23 तारीख से गुहार लगा रहा हूँ. आई हैव स्पोकन टू लॉट ऑफ ऑफिसर, माई कर्नल रेजिमेंट, माई ब्रिगेड कमांडर, माई अदर ऑफिसर कि मेरी पोस्टिंग कराइए. आई एम वांट टू बी द पार्ट ऑफ दिस ऑपरेशन, दिस वॉर, बट आज तक मेरी पोस्टिंग नहीं आई, और मैं पिछले 10 दिन से मैं कश्मीर में घूम रहा हूँ. आई एम स्टेइंग इन होटल एंड हाउस बोट में, जगह जगह. प्लीज़ मोदी जी, if you are watching this channel, please talk to my defense minister and defense minister talk to my chief. I am Lieutenant Colonel Mahesh Karki, 89 Infantry Brigade, Abhor. Please post me immediately. Otherwise, मैं अगर ऑफ ड्यूटी मारा गया, मैं जा रहा हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू तंगदार राइट नाउ, अगर मैं ऑफ ड्यूटी मारा गया तो मेरी वाइफ आपको माफ़ नहीं करेगी, इंडियन आर्मी को. तो मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप मुझे इमीडिएटली पोस्ट करें आज ही. आज है तारीख कितना, 9 तारीख है ना आज, 9, और 23 तारीख से मैं गुहार लगा रहा हूँ. प्लीज़ मोदी जी, पोस्ट मी टिल टू तंगदार और उड़ी और इन LC. थैंक यू सो मच. जय हिंद, जय भारत.